Hey, do you want to increase your car count for your auto repair shop? Are you tired of that roller coaster ride of feast or famine? Well, on this video, I'm going to give you the strategies that you need to understand, and I got a special message for you at the end. No, I'm not trying to sell you anything, but buckle up now because we're starting. Hey, I'm Matthew. Welcome to Car Count Hackers. If it's your first time here, we're all about growing your car count, income, and profits so that you can improve the lifestyle of everyone you care about. So go ahead and subscribe, ring that bell icon. That way you'll know every time I upload new videos, because you know when it comes to car count, if nothing changes, nothing changes. So let's jump right into this. I said there's a few strategies that you really got to understand. So here they are. You want more customers in car count? No other option. You're going to buy them. You're going to take money out of your pocket and invest it in marketing and advertising. No, I'm not talking about crazy advertising campaigns and strategies that don't get you an ROI. I'm talking about taking $1 out of your pocket and sending it out so that it comes home with lots of its friends. That's what good marketing does. In other words, would you spend $100 to get 200 or 500 or maybe 1,000? I'm thinking you probably would. But you've got to understand that you're not going to grow your car count organically. You've got to buy those customers and car count. There's no other option. The second strategy you've got to understand is you've got to have more customer reviews. When shop owners ask me how many reviews do I need, I reply this way. Imagine you had the misfortune of being dragged into court and had to produce character witnesses to tell the court how good you were. How many of those character witnesses do you want? Do you want one? Do you want two? Or do you want a lineup that goes out the door? Same thing when it comes to customer reviews. You want as many as possible. But funny thing, I was talking to a shop owner and I went to his website and the most current review was 9 months old. Like, what would you think about going to get a, whether it be a plumber or a roofer for your house, and the last review was 9 months old? You'd think maybe you got to check someone else out. I like to say it like this. You're really only as good as your last review. So it's a constant job. And if you say that your customers do give you reviews, let's do a little test. You can pause this video if you want, but how many cars did you see last week? Was it 5, 10, 20, 50? Okay, it doesn't matter. I don't need to know. But now look at how many reviews you got. You need more customer reviews. The third strategy you need to understand is if you want more good customers, like I always hear that from shop owners, how do I get more good customers? The best place to get more good customers, and by the way, the cheapest place to get more new customers, is having your customers refer their friends, coworkers, and associates. It's that simple. But they don't automatically go out and do that. It's up to you to have a system in place that you can speak with every one of your customers one-on-one and get them to refer their friends and associates. Besides, you've got to buy your customers, so would you rather do a postcard campaign where each new customer is going to cost you $150? Or would you rather have your customers refer their friends and associates, and those customers may only cost you $20 or $30? I don't know. You tell me in the comments. Which one would you like? Number 4, you're sitting there asking yourself, so why should I follow these strategies? What's so important? Well, you know that you're going to have to buy your customers. If you're doing any advertising right now, you're buying your customers. Number 2, you know that customers don't always leave reviews, but the one thing that you're being judged on online is your customer reviews. Let's face it, nobody likes to be judged, but customers do that every day before they even see you. And thirdly, you have to get better customers, and the best place to do that, not to mention the cheapest place to do that, is inspire your customers to refer their friends, coworkers, and associates. So what's strategy number 4? You know that nothing changes if nothing changes. So follow these strategies and you'll start to improve your car count. If you need more help with that, go ahead and register below on my new course, How to Double Your Car Count in 89 Days, without wasting any of your hard-earned dollars on that money-sucking advertising. I'm going to show you how to compete in your market, and I don't care whether it's a big city market or a rural market. I'm going to show you how to take out the dealers, the big box stores, and the national chains, and how to actually get your customers to refer their friends to you. So go ahead and do that now. If you like this video and you found it helpful, go ahead and tickle that like button and feel free to share it with shop owners that you think might get some value out of this. And if you want to implement any of these strategies in your shop, go ahead and check the link below at Ask the Car Count Fixer, and let's get on the phone and talk about it. Make sense? So now just smash that subscriber button and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content, because you know when it comes to car count, nothing changes if nothing changes. I'm Matthew. Talk to you real soon.